Today we're reviewing the brand new Vantrue N4S, a powerful 3-channel dash cam that covers the front, interior, and rear in high resolution. Let's dive in. Triple camera recording, 2.7K plus 1440p plus 1440p. You get sharp 2.7K front recording, paired with 1440p interior and rear, giving you complete coverage for any driving situation. PlatePix enhanced license plate capture. Vantrue's new PlatePix tech improves license plate clarity even at night or in motion, huge for evidence. STARVIS 2 Plus HDR Plus IR Night Vision. This setup combines Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR processing, and IR interior night vision for extremely clear low-light footage. Wi-Fi app plus voice control. Control features hands-free using voice commands or transfer videos quickly through the built-in Wi-Fi app. GPS plus 24/7 parking mode. GPS logs your routes and speed, and the 24-hour parking mode keeps your car protected even when you're away. Excellent day and night video quality. One of the clearest triple camera systems on the market. Strong license plate capture. PlatePix really helps in tough lighting or fast-moving traffic. Supports up to 1 TB storage. Perfect for long trips, rideshare drivers, or anyone who records a lot. No included SD card. You'll need to purchase storage separately. 3-channel recording increases file size. High resolution across all 3 cameras can fill memory quickly. If you want a premium 3-channel dash cam with incredible night vision, better license plate capture, and rock-solid reliability, the Vantrue N4S is a top choice. Check it out here. Make sure to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.